Spice up your holiday season with our new turkey-based Jalapeño Cranberry Meatballs. Thanks for tuning in to the French Kiss Cook. Start by combining your ingredients for the meatballs. So we got our turkey in a large bowl. Then add in your panko crumbs, your egg. Then dice up some pickled jalapeños and place them in the bowl. And then add a little bit of soy sauce, some of your chili sauce, and then stir everything together until it becomes nice and smooth. Prepare your baking sheet pan with some parchment paper, and then make sure you have a bowl of water. Then dip your fingers in the water and start shaping your meatballs. This recipe should give you about 24 meatballs, and place them in the preheated oven for about 18 minutes. Then start with your sauce, placing jalapeños and garlic in your heated pan, and then adding your cranberry jelly. Make sure it melts down, and then add in your chili sauce. Then add your brown sugar, some salt and lemon juice, and bring it to a simmer. Once your meatballs are cooked, place them in the sauce, and then toss them around to coat them evenly. Garnish them with parsley, and you're ready to serve. This recipe is great as an appetizer or served with mashed potatoes. Thanks for watching. Click on the icon, subscribe to our channel, and on the video for more recipes.